When editing your website, you may wish to select featured rentals to be used in all featured rental components throughout your web pages. You may also just want specific rentals to be used for a particular component. Let's take a look at how it's done. From your home page, click on the Settings icon. Then scroll down to Global Settings. Navigate to Rentals. Then click Add Rentals. Use the checkboxes to select the rentals you'd like to feature, then click the Select button. Then click Save. You can see that the components that are using featured rentals now only show the rentals you have entered. Moving forward, some components allow you to choose custom rental lists instead of using your featured rentals. If you'd like to select a different set of rentals for these components, then you can choose this option. Let's take a look at how it's done. Click Settings. Under Rentals, select Use Custom Rental List. Then adjust any other settings, then click Save. Click on the Rentals icon for the component. Then click Add Rentals. Use the checkboxes to select the rental or rentals you'd like to feature, then click Select. Then click Apply. You will see that the component that is using your custom rental list now only shows the rentals you entered. And that's it. Selecting featured rentals and custom rentals are just one of the many exciting features with Webready.